Namaskar viewers, myself Vikram Talwar welcome all of you on your own YouTube channel Astro Journey, a Divine Voice. Friends, first of all I apologize for not uploading any video since a long time. The reason is I was unwell and was very busy in my work. Now I got some time to continue the discussion on our Vedic astrology. Viewers, today we are going to discuss about the effect of the seasons on the native chart when a native is born in a particular season. So let's discuss about the effect of the seasons on native chart. We will discuss about the winter season. The native who is born in winter season, he will be beautiful. He or she will be beautiful, healthy. Here from healthy, we mean to say he will be having a very good immunity towards the disease. He will be healthy looking and possess generally healthy life throughout his life. He will work with delay. The native will be lazy, and this laziness will cause to delay his day-to-day work, or he will be very lazy about doing anything. He will be proudy. The person will possess a proudy nature. He will be strong. The person will have a very well built, and he will possess a strong body. And that person will like to eat sweet dishes. Friends, here I want to tell you these are the general qualities. We have to analyze the entire chart for before coming to any conclusion. Second, if a person is born in a spring season, the native will be wandering in foreign lands. Here, one must not think that the person will wander aimlessly in foreign lands. The person may be a tourist, and he may like to visit to foreign lands, or he may go and settle to the foreign lands. He may go for study for foreign lands. Like the person may go for business purpose also. Here we want to say that the chances of settling at foreign lands or visiting the foreign lands are high. He is of all the knowings. Here we want, by this we want to say that the person will possess almost knowledge on almost every subject. He will be an entrepreneur. The person will be intelligent, sensible. He will be self-controlled, have a stable mind, have interest in music. The person will like perfumes. He will be rich and wealthy, and the person will possess a long life. And the third one is the person who is born in summer season. The native who is born in summer season is a multitasker. By saying multitasker, here we mean that the person can initiate multiple works at the same time. But here we are not saying that the person will complete that multiple works. He will be a multitasker. We are talking about the initiation of multiple works, but we are not saying anything about the end result. The native will be rash. Here we mean to say that the native will be rash in his general approach. He may eat quickly, he may think quickly, he may drive rash. Whatever day-to-day activities he will do it in a rash manner. The person will be tall. He will possess a good height and a good frame, a tall-looking personality. The person will be enjoyer. By this, here we mean to say that the person will enjoy all the materialistic comforts of the world. Native will be intelligent. He or she will have skinny body. The native will like water sports like swimming, boating, diving. The person will be a knowledgeable person. That person will be like highly educated. The person will possess almost good knowledge on almost all the subjects. The person will be wealthy. That person will enjoy all the riches of the world, and the person will be very, very talkative. The person who is born in rainy season, he will be virtuous. By virtuous, we mean to say that the person will possess many good qualities in him. The person will be worthy to be honored by the government. The person may be in a government job, or he may get benefits from the government, or the person can do such a deeds that he may be honored by the government, or he may get many favors or benefit from the government or from the king. The native will be clever. He will be enjoyer. Can the person will enjoy all the materialistic comforts of the world. The native will be self-centered. The native will have health issues which are related to the vata and pitta. The native will like to eat milk products like milk, ghee, butter, cheese, curd, like this. And at the same time, the native will also like to consume bitter things. By bitter things, we mean to say like the person may like to consume black coffee or green tea, or the person may consume alcohol, the things which are bitter in taste. He was born in autumn season. That native can earn his living by business or by agriculture. Here we mean to say the source of earning his bread and butter will be by doing business. He may own a shop or do a big business, or the person can related any profession which is related to agriculture. The person will be wealthy. He will be having stunning looks. The person will be very popular in masses. Like he may hold a post where he has to represent the masses, or the masses will very easily agree to whatever he will say or follow him. The person can own various vehicles. The person born in pre-winter, that person will be an enjoyer, skinny or thin looking, dull looking. The person will always look like he is very less of energy, lazy, and the person will be diseased. His immunity will be low, and such natives has to pay special attention whenever the season changes towards their health. The native is frightened. Such natives can possess a thick and short neck. They are greedy in nature, sober in their nature, and these person may do rich in deeds. So viewers, today this is the end of the discussion on this topic, and we will meet again soon with a new topic. Please continue your love and support to my channel. Like, share and subscribe my channel by pressing the bell icon. Thank you.